Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the itel It2163 dual SIM feature phone. This particular box has a cutout on top, a transparent window through which you can see the phone. This is a feature phone, a retro style feature phone. This also comes with ARM architecture, making it super durable. Also notice the numpad right over here. And let's quickly take a look at what other information we can gather from the box. Over here it's written 8 input languages, 2000 contacts memory. And at the back we have 4.5 centimeters bright display, 1.8 inch display basically this particular phone has. 2000 contacts memory as mentioned earlier, bright torch, 4 days backup along with super battery mode, wireless FM recording, King Talker, multiple regional input languages and vibration mode. That's more or less all the information on this box. Let's open it and show you what's inside. So there you go, these are the components of the box. First up we have a couple of documents. This is a quick start guide for the It2163, there you go, and this is the warranty card for the same. Next up we have a micro USB charging adapter for this particular charging cable actually for this particular phone, there you go, the micro USB jack at one end. This is the removable rechargeable battery that comes with this particular phone. This is a 1000 mAh battery. I don't know if you can see this. This is a 1000 mAh battery, it's written right over here. This is a rechargeable battery and a removable as well, so you have to insert it in this phone to make it work. And speaking of the phone, this is what it looks like. I'll remove the sticker first. There you go. This is the 1.8 inch display that this phone's talking about, and this is the numpad right over here. So these retro design phones used to come with these numpads, unlike your modern smartphones which has QWERTY touch keypads. Also, the most important button is this call cancel button, which you use to turn it on, also switch off. At the back we have this textured back right over here, and these are a couple of vents for the speakers. This particular phone comes with ARM architecture, which means that this phone is made out of very durable plastic. At the top we have the torch right over here, and underneath you will find the micro USB charging port along with the 3.5mm aux port. Let's show you the display, but for that we have to remove the flap at the back first. Let's do that. There you go. So this is a dual SIM phone, so you will see two dual SIM slots over here, and also a slot for a micro SD card right over here. And that's about it. Let's insert the battery like so. We should be good to go. Let's see. We turn this on by long pressing the call cancel button, so let's just do that. And there you go, we have display. There you go, that's the display, and this is the first landing page of any new phone. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the itel It2163 dual SIM feature phone. Thank you for watching.